Hello everyone, we are back again, but this time something different. We have our Indian cuisine. It's called poha and it's very common in Maharashtra.
So today we'll be preparing poha, which is a very famous Maharashtrian breakfast dish. It is made up of flattened rice. In Assam we known as sira. So for this we have to actually wash the poha and keep it aside separately, and we need lots and varieties of vegetables in it. First we need chopped onion. Then we have chopped bell peppers, red and green, plus little bit of carrot as well. So first of all, in a pan, make the oil hot, add little bit of rye in it. The time it crinkles up, add the curry leaves and fry it for some time. Then add the vegetables to it. After that, we'll add little bit of dhania powder or the turmeric powder in it. Then we'll add the poha and we'll mix it well properly. And lastly, before finishing it up, we'll add little bit of lemon juice and little bit of sugar. And on top of it, we'll garnish with lots and lots of coriander leaves.
So can you tell us about this dish, how it's prepared and a little history about this dish, like how poha started?
Okay, so actually poha, it is the flattened, so to say, flattened rice.
Alright.
Flattened rice in English. So poha, it is actually, as you said, it's originated in Maharashtra.
Yeah.
But yes, the Maharashtrian when we have kings at that time actually. So they were like conquering one states
Exactly.
or the Indian kingdoms. So the time the Maharashtrian king, they went to Indore, they brought back poha with them.
Oh, that's something new.
Yes. So they brought back poha, and poha is actually very much healthier. First of all, it's tasty, it's quick,
Quick to
breakfast
cook
food.
and very light.
Yes, it's very light. Yes, you can try this. Plus, as we can see, the pandemics are on, which you all know. So all the doctors, they used to say immunity, vitamin C and all. So over here I have added turmeric, lemon, plus I have added bell peppers or the different varieties of capsicum, red and yellow.
Yeah, we can see that here.
Yes.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So like no doubt in our lemon we find vitamin C, but I think there are very few person who actually knows vitamin C. We get highest vitamin C in bell peppers.
Alright.
Yes, in capsicum.
That's something new. Yeah.
In capsicum we have the highest vitamin C,
Okay.
even more than our lemon. So it's a combination of sweet, sharp, tangy dish,
Alright.
and it's very good for breakfast.
That's what. So that's why this is the reason like poha is like generally people have it during breakfast time.
Yes, it's actually a breakfast dish.
Alright. So there's something new. So I think we can change our dish also sometimes. It's not necessary that we should have the same kind of breakfast every day.
Yes.
We can also have poha, like lighter meals also. So if you want to know more about such updates, so do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Till then, we'll be back again with another dish. Bye bye. See ya.